And now we have in the blue corner Marwan Binsuwaidan representing the United Arab Emirates, taking on Tuychiboev from Tajikistan in the red. Tajikistan getting the early takedown on that double leg, overcommitted a little bit. Gives up the Dagestani handcuff as well, that right arm reaching around the back and controlling the wrist. Maybe an early submission here around the neck. And Tajikistan early coming out of the gate, pushing those hips down. Fully flattened out here. Hard to see if he's underneath the neck. But a lot of pressure being emitted here. And Marwan here, representing the UAE, back to his feet. Looks okay. He's going to be taken out of the cage for medical checks as they announce our winner. Great start for that man from Tajikistan.